The forward collision warning system with autonomous emergency brake helps to prevent a possible head-on collision by automatically braking the vehicle to prevent a collision or lessen its effects. The system is always active when the engine is switched on and can be temporarily deactivated by selecting the Driver Assistance menu on the onboard touchscreen and Forward Collision Warning. Using the Settings menu, the driver can set the sensitivity of the system. The system uses a radar sensor positioned on the front bumper and a video camera at the top of the windshield to detect any obstacles ahead in real time. If the driver suddenly meets a stationary vehicle and does not intervene in time by pressing the brake, the system automatically applies the brakes to prevent a head-on collision or at least reduce its potential consequences. Furthermore, if the vehicle speed is greater than 19 miles per hour, the system warns the driver of potential danger by means of acoustic and visual signals. In the same way, but only at speeds below 31 miles per hour, the system can also detect the presence of pedestrians. The forward collision warning system with autonomous emergency brake only operates if the front seat belts are correctly fastened, vehicle speed is between 2.5 and 124 miles per hour for detecting vehicles, vehicle speed is between 2.5 and 31 miles per hour for detecting pedestrians, good visibility, the road is straight or has wide bends.